Right, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me? Hello. Right, folks, very good morning. Now, here we are today. It's very windy, so it's been Storm Dennis has really kicked in badly, folks. So, Bro, in his wisdom, today has decided that we're going to be doing what we're going to be doing today, Bro.
We're going to be doing something concretey, can't even say it.
Concretey.
As in like urban, I mean.
Right, I think you meant urban, but concretey. So, first one today, folks. We're going to see how windy it is up the top here. Right, the bullying's already started, folks. He pushed me there as I was trying to film, and he's accusing me of copying his idea. Notice up here, so. Right, so unfortunately that's put a bit of a damper on our adventure to the top of the car park, because you can't get public access. There must be putting in electric ports for these electric cars that come along.
One car.
I know.
There'll be like 90 ports for one car.
Yeah, well, similarly, every car's got to be electric by the year 2035. But, so, right. Space! Hey. Right, it says you can't come up here, but I don't understand why. I'm not sure what floor this is actually. What's happening up here anyway? Look, here we go. Right, here's these things, by the way. Look, these simply doing some sort of work there. Right, these things here, these individual. These things are all made of metal. And the effect looks like a wave from outside there, as you saw on our video. And yeah, so they're all just individual. Yeah, fantastic, eh? Simple but effective. Well, we're up to the top here. It's actually really sunny. I can't believe it. I thought I'd be blowing a hoolie up here, man, but it's not. It's incredible. It's nice and sunny. The sun is out. Mind you, here it comes though. Oh, I spoke too soon. Bro's too scared to come up here, because they did say you're not allowed to come up to level 11, 12 or 13, but Bro's too scared. He's scared of everything. Right, so here are these electric ports that they're putting in. Here we go, look. Look at these. Drive electric Dundee. Here we go. Charge place. Electric vehicle charging. Right, there only seems to be two charging ports. I'm assuming that there's two cars, one either side, so looks like there's only going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Only about enough space up here for about 16 cars maybe. But I'm thinking, what happens if the car's going up to charge? Because it's right at the top here. It's coming up to get charged, and it runs out of charge as it's sort of halfway up to come to get charged. It runs out of charge. I mean, what happens? What happens with these electric cars? It must have some sort of backup just to get up there. What happens if it actually totally runs out of charge? What's going on over here? Right, folks, down here at the front, where there was a bit of a damning report on the council to deal with the floods. They didn't shut these floodgates properly, similarly. So the Riverside Drive was well flooded. Now these are the floodgates here, and they should be swung across and locked, but they weren't. riverside further along the road there, and the place it was just chaos. The riverside was actually shut, folks. So these are the floodgates. They just closed them, and it's supposed to prevent the water from coming out, making everybody wet. But the sea is looking really horrible today. Look at that. So let's have a closer look at these doors and see if they do have padlocks on them. Yes, they do. So there you go, folks. Now somebody should have obviously come down here and swung these across and closed them. So I don't know what's going on there, folks, but... well, folks, we're going to actually see if we can get onto the Tay Bridge today. Well, I think we will be able to get onto it, but will we survive? Who's going to get the furthest along the Tay Bridge? Will it be myself or will it be bro?
You get blown off. Twig-like features.
My twig-like structure, yes. We don't have a clue what it's all about, but we're going in. What's it got there, folks? What's this weird thing? Coming soon, Mary Quant. Right, well, this is. Oh no, bro, Highway Central all the way temporarily closed. Yeah. Yeah, look, it's a disaster. Well, that's just spoiled our day now, man. Oh, that was going to be the high point of our day today, and it's closed. Oh, it's just shocking, man. Right, well, here's these things that we've seen before. So we're in the huff now. What's going down, bro?
Nothing. It's disappointing, isn't it?
Very disappointing indeed. Yes. So I'll just carry on, just going for an urban stroll. Oh, so very disappointed there, man, with the shutting off the bridge. I can understand why, though, man. Imagine if I went up, that'd probably get blown off right enough. So it's probably for the best. Yes. Yeah. Man gets blown away. Was found down in Ely.
Like a human.
Yeah.
What do you call that?
A wing thing. Yes.
Two-stick.
So this is Graffiti Alley, folks, but it's been knocked down. What's going on? Well, that's another disappointment, folks. This is Graffiti Alley, and they used to have graffiti on this side. They're still going on this side, obviously, but this bit here, this wall has gone. The wall's fallen. Disaster. So once again, another disappointment. Is that supposed to be Neptune? It might be Neptune. I think this is supposed to be Neptune, folks. Not sure. Right, who's this guy here? I think it's Richard Ashcroft, is it? I think so. Yeah, I think that could be Richard Ashcroft. No, bro, it doesn't say Sky.
Oh, does it say?
Psych.
Oh,
Dip.
this we should have got chalk down here.
Yes.
What's this one?
Very colourful. What's this? Like. Yes. I like that one. Yeah, that's what they do. They come down and they paint over, yes. Well, there we go, though. Good. The famous Dundee Dragon, folks. Bro's just bought a scone from Patisserie Valerie. Fruit's gone now. We need a le scone de fruit. We need a full report on that one, bro, later on. Thank you.
I'll stick on Insta later on.
Yes, you do that. See if we can beat my 10 out of 10
I'll give that one.
in my fair. What's going on here, folks? Oh, it's the monkey. The monkey's stolen the letters. There it is. Right, bro's brought me down here to this Madigan's tea room.
Cool. Just things on the outside at the.
Yes, oh yeah. Into books, look. Made them into books. Very nice. It's good to be the best outside of a shop ever. So we came down here for a scone and a cup of tea and a coffee, but it's closed, folks. This has been a disastrous day for us. But this shop here, Madigan's, what's it called? Madigan's Tea Room. It's got to be the best shop front in Dundee. Absolutely brilliant, fantastic. Well, after a bit of a windy adventure, folks, my nose is cold, my head's cold. But however, we're going to go over the Tay Bridge now, folks, and we're going to head off to one of our favourite coffee locations, which is the I can't remember what it's called now. Even yeah, that's right, Kitchester. Yeah, so we're heading over there. So let's see if Bros, or you have a high-sided vehicle, might not get over the road, or Bros, because he's got a massive head, might not get over the road. Warning, yeah, what's it? High winds. Oh, you can't really see that, sorry, but here we go. Well, we couldn't get to walk over the Tay Bridge, so we are now driving over the Tay Bridge. It's getting a bit stormy, I must admit. The sky's getting really dark all of a sudden. But no, not to worry, we shall endeavour to get across.
Blue skies now, bro.
As usual, yes, I know, way over that way. There's lovely blue skies over there towards the east. Right, folks, so unfortunately I just couldn't sit in there because there's too many screaming kids just whining and whinging. And then of course Bro as well, he was going, well, just sit here, and we had to sit at this little pathetic table, you know, and the guy kept coming past us, excuse me, I was like, no, I'm not having this. So
he's got no patience, have you?
Well, I'm sorry, bro, but when things like that happen, it's so annoying. You pay for a decent seat and you get a little, what was that, like two school chairs and a Formica table, you know, in the middle of their thoroughfare. No, I wasn't having it, so we just got 2 takeaways instead. Oh, you're down here. This has been the most we're getting blown. Yeah, there's been up here there. But it's really blowy this part here, folks. It's really blowy. Sheltered, help. Folks have been sent out to investigate this thing here. Stamps, postage stamps. Is that an old stamp? What's that, an old stamp machine or something? I don't know what that is.
A stamp machine, I think.
Yeah, I think it's been an old stamp machine, bro. So this must have been an old post office then, yes. So this would have been an old post office, an old stamp machine. There it is. Sea sign falling down there, folks. Look at that. It's just, they used to call the Bridge of Tay, the Brig of Tay. It's now called just the Tar. Yes, Tar. Thanks for coming. Bye. Right, Bro's all the way with himself because this building that was sitting outside, this had an old sort of stamp machine outside it. And so I got sent to investigate, of course, and Bro's now discovered that is actually an old post office.
Yes, indeed.
So well done, good bit of investigation there. And in fact, here is the very photograph that Bro was investigating. Here it is, right across his ugly mug. Best thing for it.
Thank you.
Bro's hands are at the wheel. How do you feel with these high winds, Bro?
I feel it moving.
Yes.
I'm doing 40 though.
Right,
so okay. To do 30.
Yeah, that's bad.
Being a rebel, doing 40.
So we are. So we're on the Tay Bridge coming back now, folks. As you see, we discovered the limit, but there's no high-sided vehicles, and there's no buses or lorries today. take that old job, what was it called?